Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 1. The governments of Jamaica and the United States of America have joined forces to combat the trafficking of children across borders. The two parties signed a Memorandum of Understanding on Thursday for a Child Protection Compact (CPC) partnership. The United States will provide Jamaica with funding valued at $4.5 million for projects and other related activities over a 4-year period. The agreement will help to strengthen Jamaica's ability to prosecute and punish traffickers, identify and provide comprehensive services to victims, and prevent these crimes from occurring.
Without partnerships of this kind, our journey towards achieving our targets under the Sustainable Development Goals and Vision 2030 would be significantly more extensive and undoubtedly arduous.
Jamaica is the 4th country to have been selected for a CPC partnership and the first from the Caribbean region. The others are Ghana, Peru, and the Philippines.
This type of modern-day slavery should not exist in our society this day and age. But the sad truth is that it does. Because of that, we work closely with our international partners to fight this heinous crime.
A 4-member technical delegation from Venezuela arrived on the island today to meet with government officials concerning Jamaica's proposal to repurchase that South American country's 49% shareholding in Petrojam. This meeting is the latest chapter in a process of intense engagement between the government of Jamaica and its Venezuelan counterpart about the future ownership of Petrojam. The main item for discussion is the review of documents in the repurchase proposal. That repurchase proposal was submitted by Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley on March 22, 2018 during a working visit to Venezuela. Minister Wheatley said the proposal was consistent with the government's plan to assume full control of the country's energy security and facilitate necessary upgrading work at the 54-year-old facility. The authorities are executing undercover sting operations to catch motorists trying to bribe motor vehicle examiners.
These are being done at depots that people are making allegations about. Nobody as of now can say they were not warned.
Among its regulatory duties, the Island Traffic Authority, ITA, issues driver's certificate of competence and certifies the roadworthiness of most vehicles. As the authority moves to more aggressively enforce motor vehicle laws, the Transport Minister says ITA's database is being upgraded and protected. New alliances are also being formed with the police to remove illegal driver's licenses from the roads, and the driver's license application process will be automated soon.
The point system is being computerized to ascertain when you exceed the points allowed under the law. And thereafter, PICA, the TAJ, the Transport Authority, NLA, banks, insurance companies, and the police will be notified that your license is suspended. Soon, for a fitness certificate to be printed, your vehicles must be present on the compound within a special geofenced area in order for the machine to sense the vehicle. If it is not there, the machine will not issue a fitness certificate.
The minister was making his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament Wednesday. The Transport Minister has also announced that government is exploring the reintroduction of trams or streetcars onto the roads of Kingston. Minister Montego says the Jamaica Railway Corporation has been directed to examine the proposal's feasibility.
And to network with the JUTC and franchise holders to truly create a multimodal solution to mass transit within our capital city.
In the meantime, he indicated that it was full steam ahead with plans to reintroduce a passenger train system for the country.
We have reached an agreement, and Minister Henry had signed an MOU with a Jamaican-owned consortium to rehabilitate the Montego to Solar leg of the tracks and to bring communities along the way into the product.
Minister Montego says plans are in motion to move the start of the line from Montpelier to Freeport in Montego Bay. The Maypen to Spanish Town line is to be synchronized with the JUTC for onward journey into Kingston. TPDCO, the JBDC, and SDC are being asked to train and assist locals who will be allowed to exhibit their goods along the route. No chain stores or big businesses will be accommodated. The Smart LED Streetlight program has exceeded its installation target by close to 2,000. Initiated in June 2017, the program is a partnership between the government and the Jamaica Public Service Company. It aims to reduce the island's energy costs and increase the use of renewable energy sources by replacing 105,000 streetlights over a 3-year period.
The company, Mr. Speaker, has exceeded the original target of 35,000 for the 2017 period. An additional 229 lamps were installed by the parish operators for a total of 36,789.
Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie gave the update during Tuesday's question and answer segment in Parliament. He also revealed that government had cleared a significant portion of monies owed to the Light and Power Company.
The current arrears stand at a little over $5 billion. $5 billion. We have been able over the last 8 weeks to pay close to $3 billion to the Jamaica Public Service Company, with a commitment to pay an additional $200 million around the end of this month into the next month.
And finally, more than 1,100 persons received free legal information from the Mobile Justice Unit during the 2017-2018 period. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the unit is assisting vulnerable and disadvantaged residents.
Our Mobile Justice Unit is taking justice into hard-to-reach communities, providing legal service and assistance to the poor, powerless, and marginalized.
The unit dispenses free legal information on the expungement of criminal records, wills, land titles, criminal matters, and child custody and maintenance. The services are part of Phase 3 of the Citizen Security and Justice Program, which targets 50 communities, some of them inner-city based. The ministry is looking to buy 2 more units.
Put in a request for the 2 additional mobile units, and we are going to get these 2 additional mobile units thanks to the Canadian government.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.